Hey, I'm Stephanie Essen, and I'm coming at you with the latest news from the Intel Developer Zone. First up, we have an XPU video series featuring Intel's James Reinders you won't want to miss. Each video takes a look at various aspects of XPU programming to accomplish heterogeneous programming. The first video defines XPUs and why we should care about them. The second video gives you access steps to the Intel Dev Cloud so that you can easily follow along and learn from the video series. And the third video shows you how to compile Hello Sickle to learn Sickle with DPC++ on Dev Cloud. There's also a kitty in this one, so you won't want to miss your chance to meet Sweet Nermal. There will be new videos added to this XPU series, so stay tuned. Have you heard of Intel Data Center Manager? It's a software solution that collects and analyzes the real-time health, power, and terminals of a variety of devices in data centers, giving you the clarity you need to improve data center reliability and efficiency. With Intel DCM, you can automate health monitoring, improve system manageability, simplify capacity planning, identify underutilized servers, and a whole lot more. You can download Intel DCM and start using it today with a free 30-day trial. Just fill out the software evaluation request form and click Get the Download. Finally, download the latest version of Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit by following the link provided. Conditional compilation, dev tools on Python wheels, and more apps are all included in this release. Simply select your operating system and you're on your way. Remember that the links for these stories are in the description, so follow each one to find out more, and also take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next IDZ news is out. Thanks for watching.